You've just tuned into our Santa Monica beach walk. I'm walking down the stairs from Palisades Park, about to go across the bridge over to the Santa Monica beach. Stay tuned for some immersive views. We're going to show you what it's like over here. It's about 21 degrees and it is 3 p.m. Here is the bridge that crosses over the road to bring us to the other side. Straight vibe. This sign will tell you Venice Boardwalk to the left, Palisades Park behind us, downtown, North Beach, and Santa Monica Pier, which is this way. You can see how much sand is on this beach. It is so humongous. And look at the mountains over on that side. What a scenic vibe. It's the first full day of sun we've had. The weather is the nicest today. We spent the morning working out at Muscle Beach, and now we're going for this beach walk to show you guys what's going on out here. But the weather is booming.
The weather's nice, a little bit chillier by the ocean, but again, beautiful weather. Let's go on the beach. It's a beautiful day. Let's explore.
Santa Monica Pier and Pacific Park is over there now. Earlier, when we were on Muscle Beach, it was on the other side. Muscle Beach is on the other side of the pier, down that way. The sand is warm. It's actually
really hot.
Hot. Too hot.
It's really hot. Yeah, I might put my shoes back on.
Yeah, shoes are going back on. Ow. Ow. Jeez. Shoes had to come back on there. It is too hot. It is too hot. We're gonna walk all the way down to the waterfront, and I'm gonna leave this camera on so you can see how big this beach is and see how long it takes to get from the beginning of the beach all the way to the water that way. We had to put our shoes back on as the sand is super warm. Super warm.
Yeah, that was crazy. There's no way I could have walked all barefoot. Feet were burning. Too fast. But this is nice because like the hot sand's coming in and out, so it feels nice.
Very nice. Look at the mountains over there. You can see them more clearly today.
Yeah.
They have a parking lot over here as well. I'm not sure how much it costs. I did see signs 15, I saw 25. But if you have a car, you can park over here and head to the beach. Park right by the beach. The amount of sand is crazy. Is this the biggest beach we've ever been on? Is it bigger than Tamarindo? Wow. Actually, it is huge because when you go that way, you get to the other side of the Santa Monica Pier, you'll see Muscle Beach, but then there's also the beach that's this big on the other side. Then you go down the boardwalk, you'll see volleyball courts on the way to Venice. And then even when you get down to Venice, the beach is huge as well. So you're right. This is definitely like the biggest strip of sand that's all been connected that we've ever seen. Plus the sand is also really nice and soft. It's not too rocky, so you can walk comfortably barefoot, except for when the heat is booming like now. Unless you have that tolerance. Some people over there were walking barefoot, but they're putting their shoes back on. Feet must be bunning. Yeah, they lasted longer than we did. Fully submersed in sand, 360 views. Sand is everywhere. There's so much sand even right behind us where we just walked from. If you look back, it's like bigger than a regular beach just walking back to the road there. And we still got so much room to go over here to get to the water. So good exercise walking down to the beach. As you can see, we're still going, still marching down. Still marching down here. Woo. Looks like they got the lifeguard right there. And a lot of people have their umbrellas. set up. You can also access the beach from the pier and maybe minimize your walk. There's a staircase over there. You're gonna have to let us know if the sand gets any cooler near the water.
Okay.
We don't know yet. That's what you're here for.
Yeah.
To tell
I
the
just let
people.
you might know.
No, first time.
Oh, first time, really?
Yep.
Okay.
First time. And you can see we're still walking. You can hear my footsteps. We've been walking for like 3 minutes at least. Straight. Straight walking. Wow, what a sight though. Amusement park is fully active today. Alright. Loads of garbage along the beach. Keep everything nice and clean. Holy crap, we made it. We're almost there. They have this crazy obsession with Coke down here though. We're in the supermarket and all the Coke was sold out when they had other pops left. And there's an ad right there for Coke. Alright, so we're getting closer to the beachfront. Let's see there's some vendors over here. No, thank you, sir. Alright, so water is just here in front of us. And you can see we've gotten to the beach activity. Wow. Beach is busy today. So
Sand is cooler.
the sand is cooler?
Yeah.
That's good to know.
But the water smells like fish.
The water smells like fish apparently. Are you gonna go in?
No.
You're not gonna dip your feet?
Are you?
No, I'm on the camera.
I'll take the camera.
That's okay. Yeah, so let's walk down to the pier and then walk back. So we're gonna walk down to the pier as we want to show you guys the action that's happening, and then we'll walk back to this point here. It's been quite the distance though. The road is so far back. We walked for, I would say, 4 minutes at least to get to this point. And now we're going to show you what's happening here at the beach. Santa Monica Beach. It's a vibe. Taking this immersive scene. I'm going to flip the camera and we're just going to walk through. You can hear the ocean waves. This section is much busier than the section back there, but that makes sense because this is closer to the parking lot and the pier. Not everyone want to walk the big distance. Ocean views. More people in the water on this side. Busier as we get closer to the pier. Whole lot of cool vibes out here. Wow, waves are coming in over here on this side. See, that's the Santa Monica Pier up there. You can take the stairs down to the beach over there. What a vibe. What a vibe. We just walked to the pier. What a vibe. I guess if you wanted, you could walk through there underneath and get to the other side, but we're not going to do that today. I think you can walk to the other side under there, but we're not doing that today.
Scary.
It's a shortcut. Wow. Look how busy it is from this angle. Walking back towards the other side of the beach. Where we came in was just over here, but we're gonna walk a little bit towards the mountains on this side. Such a picturesque view. Less busy on this side though, for sure.
Yes.
Now that you've got to soak in some of the vibes at Santa Monica Beach, we invite you to drop a like, leave us a comment. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. And also subscribe to our channel for more travel vlogs and experiences like these ones.
Definitely subscribe to the channel to watch more content like this.
And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.